nice.
Alright, driving na naman tayo. Pero this time, in this video, malapit lang yung pupuntahan natin. So, pupunta tayo sa
McKinley West.
Yan, McKinley West. So right now, nasa McKinley Hill lang kami. And McKinley West is the township right next to McKinley Hill, right across ng McKinley Hill. So today we're gonna be seeing Park McKinley West. So again, this is another first for the team. Kasi last time, first time namin mag Northwind Global City. Ngayon, it's gonna be the first time that we're gonna see an actual unit. Tama ba, guys?
Yes, sir.
Oo.
Actually, sir, nakapunta na kami doon nung trainees pa lang kami. Pero doon lang sa may lobby, tapos sa amenity floor din nakapunta kami.
Ayun. So you were able to see na yung amenities and yung lobby, pero not an actual unit.
Yes, sir.
Hanggang model unit lang.
Yes, sir.
Hanggang model unit pa lang. Pero yun nga, right now papunta tayo to see an actual unit na mismo, a 2-bedroom unit. So si Park McKinley West naman, it's a 25-story mid-rise development by Mega World here in McKinley West. And then at 25 stories, that's already the tallest building here in McKinley West. So would you guys know kung bakit mid-rise lang ang tallest building dito sa area?
Yes, because malapit lang siya sa airport.
Yan, again, as mentioned, this is the area of BGC that's closest to the airport. Kaya hindi tayo pwede magtayo ng talagang skyscraper. Kasi, of course, para safe din sa mga planes na dumaan. Behind me is Park McKinley West. Yan. So, exact address niya is Legrand Avenue, McKinley West, Fort Bonifacio, Taguig City. So, right now, papasukin natin yung building. We're gonna see the lobby, we're gonna see the amenities, and an actual 2-bedroom unit in Park McKinley West. So, tara! We're at the lobby of Park McKinley West, and dito, shared lobby yung 2 towers. So towers A and B, shared lobby sila. Towers C and D naman, shared lobby sila. So as you can see, hotel type yung lobby natin. Like you're greeted by the lovely reception area, and then meron ding lounge area kung saan kami nakaupo ngayon. So yeah, this is the lobby.
Very cozy, bro.
So guys, atin na kami sa actual unit.
Okay, so the good thing about Park McKinley West is that yung units niya, naka-keycard access na. So very secure yung mga units natin dito. Meron kang keycard access and meron ding number combination. So, syempre secret natin yung number combination.
Verification successful.
Ayan, so nabuksan na natin yung unit. Tara, pasok na. So as you enter the unit, to the left is your kitchen, and ito yung mga included sa kitchen natin.
Granite countertop, stainless steel sink with a profitable faucet. With 4-burner cooktop, with range hood, and built-in oven.
Meron tayong overhead cabinet, under cabinet, and drawer. Para sa close nga pala lang.
All 2-bedroom units and bigger have an extra room. So in this case, you could use this as a storage room, a utility room, or if you have maids, pwede siyang maids quarters natin. Yeah. And then this room also has its own toilet and bath. Yeah. This is the spacious living and dining area. Kasama na rin dito ang split type aircon. And then from the living area, you have the exit to the balcony. So itong unit na to, this is a unit facing east. So maganda yung view. And we still have available units na facing east din. So ito yung view niya from the balcony. Okay, so what's nice about the layout of this 2-bedroom unit is that it's compartmentalized already. So you have this small hallway leading to the bedrooms. So this is bedroom 1, and ito yung mga included sa bedroom 1.
So this is the first bedroom, and included ang ating cabinets. So close din siya. And of course, the split-type AC. And also they have access to the balcony.
So this is our common toilet and bath. Bali dito, what you see is what you get. Meron tayong shower, meron tayong toilet, and meron tayong glass counter partition. And meron din tayong sink and faucet.
So now we are here at the master's bedroom. You can see we have several power outlets, provision for internet connection. You also have split-type air conditioner unit available upon turnover. You also have access to the balcony, which is here, and you have your own mini walk-in closet, which is right here. And most of all, you have your own toilet and bath. So you can see here, you have your own toilet, sink, and shower. You also have a day here. You also have access fan and a window here. Okay, so this is all for the master bedroom. And let's go now.
So that's it for the 2-bedroom unit here in Park McKinley West. And ngayon, pupunta naman tayo sa amenities.
So, pwede mo po yung unit.
So guys, galing tayo sa actual unit sa 6th floor. So ngayon, papunta tayo sa amenities, which is nasa 2nd floor.
We're on the 2nd floor of Park McKinley West, and ito yung amenity floor. So first off, what we have here is the lounge area dito sa amenity floor. And personally, this is one of my favorite areas dito sa Park McKinley West. Ganda eh.
So this is our gym. Complete naman yung mga equipments natin. Meron tayo stationary bike, treadmill, and weights. So as you can see here, spacious with mirrors, the wall, and china. So ang feature kasi nung project na ito is work-life balance. Also, syempre kailangan ng health na dito din.
Function room. This is one of the 4 function rooms here in Park McKinley West.
So guys, ito yung dance studio natin sa Park McKinley West.
So this is our game room for Park McKinley West. As you can see, we have your pool table, you have your 2 lounges, you have your view from the outside, spacious area here, you have a foosball, 2 foosballs, and 2 TV. So you can play PlayStation there. So I'm here relaxing at the lobby of Park McKinley West. As you can see, the lobby itself is relaxing. What more if nandun ka na sa unit, diba? So what are you waiting for? Inquire now. Please click here, subscribe, and if you have more inquiries, click the link here.
Okay, so we were able to see an actual 2-bedroom unit already here in Park McKinley West. And meron pa tayong available for sale, of course, pre-selling, turnover on 2025, and 2026. So meron kami 63,000 at no down payment. 63,000 per month, no down payment terms yun. And we also have 2 one-bedroom units left at 21,000 per month naman. No down payment terms din yan. So turnover nun is 2025 and 2026. So actually that's for Tower C and D. Tower C and D already. So kung naghahanap pa kayo ng pre-selling, contact nyo lang yung number below. And thank you everyone for watching. Bye-bye!
Bye. With granite countertop, stainless steel sink. Granite countertop, stainless steel sink with retractable faucet. With granite countertop, stainless steel faucet.
Mali lang yung turo.